Hello, with Busy Custom Column Reports feature, you can design your reports exactly the way you want. Let's see how. First of all, open a sales invoice in Modify mode in Busy and view the billing shipping address. Now, if you want to pick this line 1 address field in your sales register report, go to the display menu, then Account Books Account Registers, Standard, and open the sales register. Here, click on the custom column option and specify the format name. Then click on Add New Column. Next, under User Defined field, mention the column heading. For example, if you want to pick the Billing Shipping Address column in this report, which by default is not shown, then mention the heading as Billing Shipping Details. Set the column position. Here, multiple data type options are shown. Select the data type as per your requirement. For example, if the field value is in alphanumeric mode, select data type text. If the value is in numbers, select data type numeric and mention the number of characters and decimal places. If you want the field value total to be displayed, enable the show total option. If you want to create only a yes/no type field, select data type yes/no. If you want numeric value along with debit credit, select data type numeric with DRCR. If you need the field value in date format, select data type date. For now, we will select data type text and then mention the alignment and number of characters. Next, go to field value details and select the data field as per requirement. Mention the category of the field you want to pick and click on the field option. Select the field from the categorized view. In addition, you can also click on the alphabetic option to filter a particular field. After selecting the field, click on Save Field. To save the report format, click on Save Format. To view the effect of the column, reopen the report, select the specific format, and open it. Here you can see that the column, Billing Shipping Details, has been updated. If you want to copy the custom column report to another company, click on Copy to Disk in the source company to generate the report file. Then, in the target company, go to the same screen and click on Copy from Disk to restore the report file. So, by following these simple steps, you can add custom columns to reports in Busy. Call the provided number 24/7 for Busy purchases, updates and support. Subscribe to the channel for more such informational videos and updates.